It's Thursday, September 27th, and your stories today are Status releases Embark 3.2, Kenyan official wants to tokenize the economy, and Bitcoin Scrabble. Why, hello world, you're watching The Comment right here on ETHNews. According to information shared with ETHNews, Status Projects, a division of Status dedicated to Web3 advancement, has launched Embark 3.2. The latest version of the dApp building framework includes various features to further help developers embark into the ether. Iri Matthias, creator of the framework, told ETHNews about his team's enthusiasm for the launch, saying, quote, "We are really excited about Embark 3.2 as it is a really big step for us as a team and a product," unquote. One of the key aspects of the 3.2 is to support the Ethereum name service, the .eth domains. Regardless of the chain a developer is building on, it should be able to adapt. The framework contains a simple command for developers to make their dApps compatible with .eth names. Moreover, the framework supports EIP 1102, which requires websites to opt into Web3 access instead of having tools, such as MetaMask, automatically inject Web3 instances onto web pages. With this update, Embark generated dApps, quote, should be fully compatible with both existing and future versions of, unquote, Ethereum-enabled browsers. For more on this story, make sure to visit Daniel's article on ETHNews.com. According to a September 26th article in a local Kenyan news outlet, the chairman of Kenyan Distributed Ledgers and Artificial Intelligence Task Force, Bitange Ndemo, wants the government to tokenize the Kenyan economy in an effort to fight corruption in Kenya. He reportedly made this suggestion while speaking at an Information and Communication Technology Ministry meeting and said the tokenization of the economy will help with increasing rates of corruption and uncertainties and will also work to reduce unemployment levels. He also emphasized that if and when the Kenyan economy is tokenized, that the token should be the digital currency equivalent to a fiat. The article also states that switching from fiat to digital currency has the ability to improve the quality and efficiency of Kenya's food supply chain. Scrabble lovers rejoice. You now have another word you can annoy us with, Bitcoin. As of this week, the word Bitcoin has been added to the official Scrabble Players Dictionary. We still don't know how many points Bitcoin will be worth in the game, but I'm pretty sure it'll fluctuate as quickly as the price does. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency terms have also been added to the Merriam-Webster Dictionary last year. Both Merriam-Webster and the official Scrabble Players Dictionary have officially been updated by millennials. I know this for a fact because one of the new Scrabble words is shizzle. I can see the future third grade spelling bee champions right now. Shizzle, shizzle. Can you use it in a sentence? Oh, why certainly. For shizzle, my nerd. That's our comment for the day. It's time to tell us yours. Are you excited about Embark 3.2? Would the tokenization of the economy truly fight corruption in Kenya? And are you going to beat all your friends at Scrabble now that you know Bitcoin is an official Scrabble word? Let me know what you think. Tweet at me. Have a wonderful day. And as always, don't forget to leave a comment. Join me back here on The Comment to hear my take on the day's top crypto and blockchain stories. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Like this video and share it with your friends on social media. To make sure you get all the newest episodes, click on the alert button. That's that bell-looking button by the word subscribe. Follow me on social media at ETHNewsy. That's at ETHNewsSy. And I will see you next time.